Happy Valentine's Day! Today we are coloring this adorable teddy bear sharing some love. He's sitting in a beautiful field and needs 8 colors. Let's start with the big blue sky. Find number 7. Number 7 is blue. We are filling in all the background spots. This bright blue sky will make our bear look extra cozy and warm. Now for the star of the show. Find number 4 for light brown. We are coloring the bear's head and his soft body first. It wouldn't be Valentine's without some hearts. Find number 2 for red. Now, number 3 for yellow. And find the final heart, number 5 for purple. Let's add some detail to our bear. Find number 1 for tan. This goes on his snout, inside his ears, and on his little paws. Spell snout with me. S-N-O-U-T. Snout. Last steps. We need number 6 for our dark brown tree stump. And number 8 for the green grass at the very bottom. Incredible work! Our Valentine Bear is ready to share some love. You found all 8 numbers and colors. Great job! And see you next time.